Hello everyone, it's 24th April. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have 92.9% Bengal, 85.1% Tamil Nadu. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have Manipur on boil again. Around them, bodies of 2 children wait for justice. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have need rupees 20,000 to post bail. Where will we get it from? Kin of workers held over Noida protest. Then we have at Urbindo Marg, a metal box that keeps charged battery school. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have leap into future government planning. Two AI centers of excellence in capital. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have 22 Indians on ships attacked by Iran and Hormuz, all safe. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have in poor taste, center hits back at MAGA influencers. Comment reposted by Trump. Then we have after Germany, now France waives off transit visas for Indian flyers. Then we have China in mind. India and Japan move to deepen defense ties. Moving forward, we have anti-sacrilege protest. Army devices mechanism to bring farmer down from 40 feet tower. Then we have traffic violation in Hyderabad, Charan in Nellore, police crack vehicle number, cloning fraud. Then we have to soften war impact, gas reaching from Oman, Angola, Morbi, biggest consumer. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have India's Goldilocks moment is over, macro situation will worsen. Then we have reservation will give us greater voice. Again, very important for equality perspective. Then we have women allowed in mosque but not through main door, AIMPLB to Supreme Court. Again, very important for society perspective. Then we have the explained page where we have how US-Iran can break deadlock and conflict. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have online gaming rules expand, compliance, leave room for exports. Then again, very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have what Pakistan stands to gain from Iran mediation and efforts. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Iran tightens its chokehold over Strait of Hormuz. Israel warns of resuming the strikes. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have new era, new leaders, generals who are running Iran now. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have net FDI trend reserved a pre-war surge to $4.6 billion in February. Then we have prolonged conflict to hint energy costs, disrupt trade flows and financial markets. Then we have fuel retailers losing rupees 20 per litre on petrol, rupees 100 on diesel. On no plan to hike prices, says the government. Then we have SpaceX, OpenAI, Anthropic could add trillions to public MKTs. Again, very important for economic perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.